In the last video, I said that we will pump really high. We'll have this as our bottom, and if we break this high, we're gonna pump. What happened exactly? We went there, we bought in, and we managed to ride it all the way to with a 7% pump, but obviously went higher. And now I'm looking to see, because we have an insane win rate if you go through the videos. The question is, can we get an even better win rate? How can we trade this even better? So Solana right now is at a very curious spot because the net longs, we just had 37,000 Solana, not dollars, Solana, being closed right here in the last 30 minutes. And a lot of big orders are being closed. So it's not looking very good for our favorite coin. And also, we're getting the start of a downtrend. If this actually confirms on the daily chart, we're gonna have a bad downtrend forming, which can go all the way down. We can go all the way down. Just to show you some potential trades and some potential dumps. We can have a dump like this from here. So be very careful trading Solana right now, especially since money flow is going down. And on 30 minutes, we can clearly see that VWAP is down, money flow is down. And if the only way it goes up is if we have curvature here, goes to here, and then money flow does this. This is the only thing we can do. So money flow green and a green dot, and then we are going up. That's the only way Solana survives this. Otherwise, we're just gonna go down for a while, maybe 10%, and then hopefully we have an accumulation on the beginning of a bear trend. If you want to follow the meme coin trades, I'll have a link in the description down below for that. So it's easy for you to just enter when I enter if you want to. Obviously, no financial advice. Also, in the description down below, I'll have a link to my course, which I've priced pretty cheap for a while. It will be just 97 bucks. I want to have the cheapest course, and I'll update it with new stuff. Also, link in the description down below for BITMART 8.2 grand in welcome gifts, exclusive for referees, the Serial Exchange. See you next video.